Okay, so today I will be conducting a repair attempt for Miss Mary Washington, claim number 0600636669. I've got my control area right here where you can see there's no granule loss, no mat transfer, or any tears, as I'm listed right here. If at any point any of one of these three things occur, it deems this repair attempt a fail. So I will be recording myself attempting to repair this shingle right here. And I will be using an agnostic tool accepted across all insurance, the roof snake. And I will not be manipulating the shingles higher than 45 degrees. So I'm gonna set the camera up and I'm gonna complete this uninterrupted. And I will show you, sorry, I'm adjusting my camera. We'll show you the stability and the age of the shingles. So I will be documenting myself doing a repair for that shingle right here, as you can see. This is before. You can see that there's no granule loss, no tear, or no mat transfer. There is one wind damaged shingle also right here, so I just want to take note of that before I start. So yeah, we're testing the age of the shingle. All right, so I'm gonna get my camera right here. And then I'm gonna tilt this. Alrighty. And we are good to go. Okay. So, first thing I want to do is find where this shingle ends and alrighty. So it stops right here and I'm removing this shingle. I will never lift the shingle higher than 45 degrees as this tool actually forbids me from doing that. So there we go. First nail is out. Going for that second nail. And as you can see, this tool forbids me from going any higher than 45 degrees. Alrighty. Alrighty. Got one more nail for that first row. Okay. All right, that first row of nails is out. So now I'm going for the second row. Alrighty. There we go. I am removing, as you can see, every nail without manipulating the shingle higher than 45 degrees. It's already a good deal of granule loss that I'm experiencing. And I've also got a tear, so no mat transfer just yet. But I do have tear number one, and I will show you that as I stop, and tear number two with a bunch of other granule loss. Alrighty. Second row of nails is out. So I should be able to tug on this. There's one more up in the corner, I believe. Alrighty. Let's see where that one is. Alright, so I gotta go 2 rows above. Let me see. There we are. Okay. There we go. That first one is out. I should be able to get it now. Just missing one nail. Where is that nail? And as you can see, never manipulating the shingle higher than 45 degrees as I do this repair. There we go. There's that nail that I was looking for. So it should be able to slide out. There we go. So That tab is removed. Alrighty. I will be grabbing my other shingle. So I'm going to slide this back into place. Alrighty. Okay. And now I will be using the roof snake to insert the nails back into place, which actually, as I mentioned before, it forbids me from lifting higher than 45 degrees. So for the sake of this repair, since the shingles were discontinued, I'm actually just using the same shingle that I pulled out, but I will be testing the surrounding shingles to make sure that they can sustain a repair. This tool is great for not lifting the shingle higher than 45 degrees. It's perfect. All right. So that first row is almost in. I'm on my last one. Okay. There we go. All right. Sweating out here. There we go. Nice nail. Here we go. That one is in. I'm now working on my second row of nails. Once again, never manipulating this shingles higher than 45 degrees as the tool forbids me to. I couldn't if I wanted to. So, there we go. I'm experiencing a lot of granular loss as we speak, so I'll be sure to show you as soon as I'm done. Okay. Second row is almost in. Alrighty. Last two nails. Oh boy, I'm seeing a lot of granular loss. And mind you, I am to perform 21 different areas to repair. And I'm already seeing how this is disrupting the other shingles. Last now. Alrighty. There we go. Alrighty. So now we'll bring you up close on the shingle to show you all of the granular loss that I've experienced. There we go. I'll tell you something. Yeah. So as you can see, guys, there's granular loss on every shingle that was affected within this repair. I've got granular loss right there, and I've got a tear actually on one of the shingles. And you can see the difference of my control area, where there's no granular loss, as opposed to my area right here. You can see granular loss all at the top of every shingle that was affected. Yeah, so get up close on that. The only thing with age, well, roofs of this age is, if I were to conduct any more repairs, I'm just disrupting the integrity of the surrounding shingles, and I'm meant to complete 21 repairs. So I'm gonna go ahead, 2 out of 3, deem this as a fail. So I will be sending in photos as well. Thank you.